Dr. Commander of the Republic of Fiji Military Forces, General Koloniwai, members of the media, my fellow Fijians, Nisambulwinak. Reflecting on the address by His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Fiji, at the opening of Parliament, it is clear that the government is dedicated to forging a path that resonates with our national identity. His Excellency emphasized the necessity of conducting a thorough review of our defense and our security framework. This initiative is not just a strategic requirement, but also a vital platform for Fiji to engage in an honest and open dialogue about our national values and the ideals that we cherish deeply. The review will provide a unique forum for us to collectively reflect on and articulate the values that define us as Fijians. It will allow us to ponder over questions like, what principles do we hold dear? What aspirations drive our nation forward? And most importantly, how can our security and defense mechanisms embody and protect these values? The key objectives through this review are to craft a national security strategy that not only outlines Fiji's national interests and goals, but also integrates our core values and principles, ensuring that the roles of government agencies resonate with our national ethos. 2, to identify and implement legislative and regulatory reforms in defense and security that are aligned with our national values, ensuring that these changes reflect the heart and soul of Fiji. 3, to design a security sector reform and governance, the SSRG program, under the auspices of the ministry, which will not only align security agencies with government policies, but also ensure that these agencies operate in a manner that upholds and promotes our cherished national values. Today, ladies and gentlemen, marks a pivotal moment in our national story, as we announce the selection of Mr. Jim Sandy as the independent review lead for our crucial national security and defense review. This appointment heralds a new chapter in Fiji's journey towards a more secure and a vibrant future. Mr. Sandy's appointment is the result of a long, detailed, and competitive process that embodies our commitment to transparency, and we are pleased to also announce that Mr. Sandy has accepted government's terms of reference. The appointment of Mr. Sandy as the independent review lead is a testament to our commitment to this cause. Mr. Sandy, or Colonel Sandy as he is known by many Fijians, is a distinguished figure with a storied career in the defense and security sector, brings a wealth of expertise and reputation for uncompromising integrity to this pivotal role. His profound understanding of the complex dynamics of security, coupled with his track record of effective leadership, makes him an ideal choice to spearhead this crucial initiative. In fact, his historical paper titled The Military in Fiji, Historical Development and Future Role, is often cited by scholars who make an inquiry into Fiji's history of coups. As we embark on this national conversation. Mr. Sandy's guidance will be instrumental in shaping the review to reflect our unique Fijian identity and values. His role is not just administrative, it represents our collective aspirations to forge a future that is secure, inclusive, and resonant with the ethos of our nation. His leadership in this review is anticipated to bring forth innovative strategies and insightful perspectives, ensuring that our approach to national security is both dynamic and responsive to the evolving challenges of our time. Under his stewardship, the review will serve as a historical opportunity for every Fijian to contribute to a dialogue that defines and secures our nation's future. It is an opportunity to solidify our shared values in our national defense and security strategy. Mr. Sandy and his team warrant the full backing of both the Fijian government and its citizens as we embark on this transformative journey to ensure a future that is not only secure and stable, but also reflective of our national character and values. Mr. Sandy will begin his role early next year, reporting to me and the National Security Council. He will lead the review with independence, adhering to the terms of reference set by the Fijian government, which will be given to you by my office at the end of this conference. As we begin this vital journey of introspection and assessment, let us unite in a spirit of harmony and progressive optimism. Together, we must forge a path that not only propels us towards a prosperous future, but also ensures peace and tranquility. This path should be firmly anchored in the deep-seated values that we, as Fijians, cherish and uphold. It's a journey that calls for collective wisdom and shared vision, where every Fijian contributes to shaping a future that resonates with our aspirations and is reflective of the ideals that we hold close to our hearts. In this process, let's embrace inclusivity and a steadfast commitment to the betterment of our nation, ensuring that the legacy we leave for future generations is one of unity, prosperity, and enduring peace. Thank you.